In this video, we're going to show you how to quickly get your ideas onto paper through the use of sketching and rendering. To start, simply block out the basic form of your design using light pen marks. You can sketch in biro, but a permanent fine liner is better as it won't bleed when you use markers. Use heavier lines to further define the shape. Add additional detail like switches and shut lines for greater realism. Use thicker lines to create depth and a more three-dimensional look. This will really make the sketch stand out. Firstly, decide on the direction of the light source and begin with light shades of colour to get a feel for the form. Remember to leave white space to represent reflections. Add further definition to the form by using tonal shades to create darker areas. Create stronger realism by adding details such as shadows to the controls and the surface below the object. Now you can really lift the image off the page by adding extra detail like reflective colours in the surfaces. If you're interested in studying product design or transport design with us at Staffordshire University, then click on the links below to find out more about our courses and sign up for an open day. Also, don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. Just search PD TD Staffs Uni.